Hey Danny, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I just wanted to show you this quick video to give you a couple tips and tricks that you can apply today with your website so you can start generating more organic traffic and not have to pay for those expensive lead services anymore. So, as you can see, we are on your website. I love your logo, it's gorgeous. You have a nice looking website. Looks like you guys do some beautiful work. Um, got a little bit of content. Gorgeous photos. Um, okay, so you do have some content going on your homepage, but you don't have enough content. The search engines like to see on your homepage about 1,500 words, which breaks down to about 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that you're trying to target. Um, your customers may not know the name of your business, but they know the service they're looking for in their specific area. So it's really important that you're using those buyer intent keywords. Not all keywords that bring people to your site are going to convert. So you want to make sure you're using the right type of keywords and you're having the right amount of content. Um, Even though you have some gorgeous pictures and your website looks nice, Google unfortunately isn't going to rank you based on its appearance. They have robots called crawlers, and they search the internet and index every one of your pages looking for content and keywords. So it's really important that you have a separate page for every single service that you offer. If you do outdoor spaces and have grills and fountains and pits and all those should have their own pages so that you can go after those keywords in your area. And then you should also have separate pages for every service area that you service so that you can be found in those areas when the customer looks for your pool design and other services. So working on your content strategy is going to be really key in helping to get those organic leads. If we look at your top competitor for the search Los Angeles pool builders, we get Los Angeles pool builders. And the reason they're really number one here is because their name is a major keyword. It's also in their domain, and it's really the only keyword they're going after on their entire website. So here's their website, and they also have a nice looking website. But as you can see, they really don't have any content going on here. And so these guys are going to be super easy to beat. You just have to make sure that you have more content than these guys and your top competitors in all your service areas. Um, so if we go over here, this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, your website is ranked, excuse me, not ranked, but is valued at an 11 in Google's trust flow out of 100. And that is because of your backlinks. You have 173 backlinks and a score of 11. So not all of these backlinks are of good quality. Not all backlinks are created equal. So you need to make sure that you're getting the high powered, high authority backlinks that are do follows. Um, it is indexing you for keywords, but these keywords are not the buyer intent location based keywords that are actually converting into customers for you. And because of that, you're only seeing about 26 people on average per month. Now, when we look at your competitor, Their domain is a zero point 0.7 rating, but their homepage has a 26, and that's because all of their backlinks are being directed at their homepage. But that does also hurt them, as they do have separate pages for all their services and their service areas. So those backlinks need to go to all of their pages. And because of their keywords, they're actually getting 151 in organic traffic on average per month. But there's actually thousands of traffic in your service area that you have the potential to convert into leads. So you guys are both missing out on quite a bit of potential customers. When I talk about backlinks, a backlink is when one website links to another website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant that website is to your website and the more authority, the more Google's going to help boost you in the rankings. And your backlinks are closely tied to your content and keywords, and you need to have them going to all of your pages so that you can be found in those areas. And the last thing I want to show you real quick is when a customer does a search in Google, one of the first things that pops up are going to be ads. And the next thing is this Google Map Pack. And right now, for this specific keyword, you're doing good. You're in the top 3. But you want to make sure that this is optimized for your keywords and service areas so you can be in the top 3 in all of those places. It is a very competitive spot, and in order to stay here, you need to have more citations than your top competitor. And a citation is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a bunch of places like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So now if you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become #1 across Google, not just for your homepage, but all your pages. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you give me some feedback and let me know if you thought this video was helpful. If you're tired of paying for those expensive lead fees and you want help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and respond to my email or give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.